So the 21 consonants produce 24 sounds. Wow! Hello! In today's class, we'll be learning the consonants. Yes, the consonants in the English alphabet. By now, you should know that the vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Now, consonants are all the letters in the 26 English alphabet except the vowels, right? So when you write the 26 English alphabet and you take away all the vowels, the rest are the consonants. Consonants are all the English alphabet except the vowels, right? So the English alphabet has 21 consonants. But there's an interesting fact. The 21 consonants at the end of the day produce 24 sounds. Wow. So the 21 consonants produce 24 sounds. Wow. Yes. The sounds are divided into 16 single sounds and 8 specialized sounds. Today, let's look at the 21 consonants. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. That is the 21 consonants which produces the 24 sound. So the English consonants are 21 and has 24 sounds. Friends, in our next class, we are going to look into how the vowels and the consonants are distinctly divided and the various sounds they produce. And with this, we'll come to the end of the lesson.